Hi guys, welcome back to our Wix Harmony series. Today we are going to learn how to add tags to our media files. Let's get started. So first, go to the Wix drop-down here on the top left and go to Media Manager. Make sure that you go to Site Files here on the left and look for the file you wish to work on to select it. Say, for example, this image over here. Now go to the right and scroll down until you go to the tags section. Click this arrow to expand. Then click on Edit Tags. Start inputting the tags you want to put here. And to successfully add a tag, just hit Enter. And then add other tags you need to add. Once you're done, just simply click on Done right over here and repeat the process for all the other files or images you wish to add tags to. And that's it. Hope you guys found today's video of help. If you need more Wix tutorials, check out our channel and consider subscribing as well. Thanks so much for watching, and we hope to see you guys in the next video.